Good morning, myself Ronak Gandhi, a sophomore student of CSE department at IIT Jodhpur. I have come up with the poster on stakeholder as a part of our human machine and interaction final exam. So let's understand some basic information about stakeholders. Firstly, let's see the definition of them. So stakeholders are those individuals, groups or parties that have some interest in a company and can either affect or be affected by the business. They may include customers, employees, investors and many other various groups of people. There are basically two types of stakeholders. First is direct stakeholder and second one is indirect stakeholders. Direct stakeholders are those who have direct relationship with the company, and while indirect stakeholders are those who do not directly work with the company but are affected somehow by the actions and outcomes of the business. Let's understand these types of stakeholders by some examples. So, we can take customer as a direct stakeholders. So they will be the ones who will purchase the product, and if they do not purchase it, the company still will go down and leading to the loss for the company. Now, employees as the direct stakeholders, employees are also direct stakeholders as they are the basic entity of any business. They, their performance depends how the company will perform. If they coordinate well, the performance of the company will be good, while if they do not, the performance of the company be, will be less. Now, if we take public groups as an indirect stakeholders, we can understand it by taking an example like let's have an industry who emits more than the allowed amount of carbon dioxide, then the people of that locality will be affected by their health now, and they will have to suffer the deeds of of that industry. If we take media as an indirect stakeholders, they play an important role as they are the ones who can criticize it badly, who can criticize a company badly, leading to the downfall of that company, or can hype a new startup which will lead to a huge publicity. Now, let's see why the stakeholders are important. Stakeholders are important for various number of reasons, as they are the ones who makes combined effort to make the product. They perform every day to increase the growth of the company, and their feedbacks help people help the company to increase the performance also. Ultimately, managing the relationship with direct and indirect stakeholders is an important key to to the business long-term success. What are the problems with the stakeholders? The common problem is that the companies with more number of stakeholders have different stakeholders with different opinions, and they may not align. In fact, the interest may be in direct conflict. If we take an example of corporation, the company having work, more labor payment will have to give will want to give less salary to the employees, while employees will want more salary for their work. So this is an day-to-day life example that we will face, and there are some other problems also, like the stakeholders sometimes mislead the real needs. Now let us look an example and summarize the concept of stakeholders. So if we take an example of OTT platform, there are many types of stakeholders. Firstly, we can take subscribers as the stakeholders, as they are the ones who will purchase the subscriptions and watch the content. The developers and programmers, the employees maintaining platforms, finance team as the stakeholders, direct stakeholders. The payment processing service provider also an direct stakeholders, as by them we will be able to interact with the OTT after paying the amount for the subscription. Internet service provider will also be an indirect stakeholders, if there will be no internet we cannot see the content online. The writer, directors and artists of the movie will be an important indirect stakeholders. Media, as we have discussed earlier, will be an important indirect stakeholders. Publicity teams and critics will also be important indirect stakeholders, as if there will be more publicity a, we can have more number of subscriptions for that movie. And critics are also important, as their opinions matter a lot to the general audience. At last, the electricity provider is also an important stakeholder, as if there will be no electricity, and let's say we use internet through a Wi-Fi router, so we will not be able to watch the movie online. And also, if our battery is exhausted, then we can also not watch the downloaded movie. Thank you. So let's conclude that we need stakeholders to improve the growth of the company, and they are an important part of the company. Thank you.